Hey guys, this is for all of my rock star agents out there and agents who maybe just need to hear this. Um, this video is really about why it's so amazing to connect with other agents nationwide and all over the globe. The reason why, and this is probably my favorite reason why, is because you're not only able to share about the market in another place that your client maybe wants to move to or invest in or go to, but then you're able to pair them up with an agent that specializes in exactly what they need, whether it's investing, a VA loan, or first-time home buyer, whatever it is, you're able to connect them with an agent that is best suited for them. Okay, so I wrote down a couple of reasons on why it's so awesome to connect with agents nationwide. And the first one is really just simply so that you know what the markets are in other places. If a client comes to you and says, hey, I'm thinking about investing in Detroit, wouldn't it be great if you could talk about the market a bit? So with keeping up with your quarterly calls to these agents, like you should be doing in your database with clients anyways, you're going to be able to keep up with what's going on in the market each quarter to then also have advice, have things to say and share about the market that's going on right there in that place. Right? So then the second thing I wanted to mention is that you're able to, like I said again, then if you have a few agents in whichever city that you need to send out a referral to, and a client is maybe analytical and all about numbers, you would probably want to pair them with an agent who's also analytical and all about numbers. If you have a client who is specializing in, say, investing, you'd want to pair them with someone who specializes in that. So that's why it's a great reason to have multiple agents in multiple major cities nationwide and around the globe. If a client is, maybe a first-time home buyer and they're a bit shy, you wouldn't want to pair them up maybe with an agent who's a bit more coarse and all about the procedure, paperwork, and practice. You'd want someone who can hold their hand and walk them through each step. So super important to keep your relationships with other agents nationwide and around the globe. So if you guys want to know how the Hawaii market is and you're an agent in another state or another city, give me a call. I would love to discuss how your market is and share how our market is. So that way I would be able to potentially give you a referral. I get referrals for everywhere in the nation, from the Philippines to Portland. So give me a call. I'm happy to share what's going on in the market, in that market, and pair you up with an agent if you need an agent in that market to achieve all of your goals. So let me know how I can help you. I'm here to serve.